how visualization will change your life. Hello all, it's Gregory Martire, local coach, mentor, realtor, talking about visualization. And that can come in many forms, and boy, we could talk about this for hours, right? But it is super critical in the real estate community, in the real estate business, and also in life, quality of life. But how will visualizing what you want help? So here's an easy way to do it. A vision board. You've heard of this? Nothing more than a bunch of pictures put on a wall of things that you like. Why are you doing this? Your why. Maybe a picture of your family. Maybe a picture of your dog. Maybe a picture of me. No, only if you want to do it for me. A picture of where you'd like to go on vacation. Maybe a picture of your favorite TV star you like to go watch in the movies. Maybe a picture of a taco. Okay? Something you enjoy. The simpler, the better. The easier to visualize, the better. The easier the picture comes in your mind, the easier it'll be for you. Doesn't have to be fancy. It could be the color green, just a green square because you like the color green. Try it out, and you don't have to try it for long. If it works, it works. And I promise you it'll work because it's not just the picture, but it's how that picture makes you feel, which is super, super effective. If you'd like to talk more about it, I'm here and I'm happy to do it. Give me a call, shoot me a text. Appreciate you checking out the channel. Let me know if you need anything else. Have a great day.